Guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. Good morning and thank you so much for joining me today. I have a beautiful Glam DIY for you and I'm excited to share it with you because I went to Ross and I saw this and thought it would make a beautiful sconce. So we're going to do I'm not sure if you're familiar with that. Ross sells it and it is $3.99. And I thought I wanted to do something with that because of the shape. Absolutely love that. So I cannot wait to jump right in. So let's get started on this. You will need 2 of these cat scratchers. You will need a sheet of the Dollar Tree. I think these are the poster boards. They're a little bit thinner than the foam board. You will need some mirrors. And this is optional. I just want to put mirror onto my board. You'll need the Dollar Tree, 8 of them. So you will need the Dollar Tree napkin rings. So with the mirrors, you'll have the medium size ones. Well, I think these are medium size. Then the tiny ones, and those are, I don't have the measurement for these larger ones, but for the tiny one, the small round ones, those are 1-inch mirrors. These are. And then I'm not sure the size on these, but you'll need a bag of these as well. So you'll need a bag of the 1-inch. You'll need a bag of the larger one. And you'll need a bag of these. And like I said, these are optional. If you decide you want to go with the mirror on top, that's great. You can get them from JoAnnes. You can get them from Hobby Lobby. These were purchased from Hobby Lobby for $2.49. And don't forget to use your coupons. And you also need the Dollar Tree small round. Now the Dollar Tree have 2 sizes. So I'm going with the smaller ones. You will need some of the Dollar Tree diamond wrap, and I went ahead and cut them down to the size that I need for my napkin rings. You will also need a larger piece that is 7 strips. These are 5 strips for the napkin ring. You'll need your glitter, your Mod Podge glue, paintbrush, and I like to have a cup of water to be able to wash my brush. You will also need some of these gems. I got these from Hobby Lobby, and Hobby Lobby's been having new and exciting gems lately, and I'm loving it. These are $9.99 and 50% off. So you will need some gems of your choice. You can use diamond wrap if you prefer from the Dollar Tree, that's fine too. You'll definitely need your glue gun and your glue sticks. You need your scissors for cutting, and we'll go ahead and begin the process. Okay guys, so the most important part of this project is the reflected paper, and I forgot to mention that. So you will definitely need to get reflected paper. Now, all it does is give a reflection. It's not, you know, an actual mirror. So you can choose to use it, or you can choose to use the marble, or you can choose to paint it. It's all up to you. I'm going with the reflected because that's one of the reasons why I am using these mirror like I mentioned. So it's all up to you. This is your project. Make it whichever way works best for you. All right, now I'm going to peel it back and begin to stick. guys, I've randomly placed the mirrors onto the board, and now what I want to do is go ahead and start working on my napkin rings. And so in order to do that, I'm going to use the adhesive diamond wrap that I've shared with you. These are the Dollar Tree diamond wrap. Add your diamond wrap all the way around. I'm going to go ahead and add some glue, generous amount of glue, because this is going to be what's holding your mirror. Then you're going to take your other diamond wrap, napkin rings, and attach them together, just like this. Hold them in place until they're dried. We're going to go ahead and glue them on top of our sconce. So I'm going to hold this until it dries, glue it on, and we'll see like the way it looks like. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. I truly appreciate your time, your comments, and your support. Thank you guys. I will see you on my next DIY.